Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube banner. With that, we will get started. First we need to go up to File and click on New, and we need to set our document to 2560 pixels and 1440 pixels, and make sure portrait's not ticked, because if it is, the banner will be straight up and down, and that's no good obviously. Once you've got that, just go ahead and click OK, and it will open up this page. What we're going to do first is go to File, click Place, and place in a YouTube template. The reason why the template helps is because it shows you what sizes go where. Because of the template I'm going to make today, it's more fashion, makeup type style of banner. You're going to be aiming for an audience of teenagers to young adults, and they watch most of their stuff on their mobile phone. I think last time I looked it was something like 68% of teenagers and young adults watch YouTube on their phone. So we need to be placing most of the information in this little box here, because not many people watch YouTube on their TV, and the whole banner size includes it for TV. Then we've got the tablet and desktop, that is maximum across. That's why this template is so important. With that, we'll now get started. So we'll go to File, Place, and I'll place this young woman that I found on 3 pics, but I don't want it on this side, I want it on the opposite side. And to do that, just right click on it, come down to transform and flip horizontal, and it will move onto the opposite side. Now with her, because she's on for TV purposes, I'm going to go to filter and I'm going to apply a Gaussian blur, and 1.5 is no good. You can either move your arrow here, or you can move your arrow key, your wheel. If you move your wheel, it jumps up 1 pixel, but I want 5.5, and it blurs it enough not so you can't recognize who it is. And then just go ahead and click apply. For the next step, I'm going to highlight the YouTube template and just drag it up to the top, and the woman at the bottom, I'm just going to lock her out. Then click on the YouTube banner. I'm going to come over and click on the rectangular tool. If you like me and got your ellipse, just hold down left, click on it till the box pops up, and then just let go on the rectangle tool, and I'll start from this side, and I'm going to make a new box along there. Now once I've got my box, I'm going to come up into the top corner, right hand top corner, and click on insert inside the selection. What that will do is, when I next place my image, it's going to place it inside this box. So it's going to be like a clipping mask where it just instantly clips it to that box. So I'm going to go File, Place, and I'm going to click on background where I've got a background image, and I'm just going to drag that up into place. I reckon about there looks good, and then just click off it. Now because we've got that inside there, on our mobile phone you'll see it from roughly about there, I would say, and then this part here. So my next item I'm going to do is add another ellipse. So because we've just put in the rectangle, you then need to left click on it, hold down until you get the box till the ellipse pops up, and then I'm going to place it about there, and then I'm going to click on my move tool or V, and I'm just going to move my circle so it's at the top of there but down that line. And like before, I'm going to come up to the top right corner and insert inside the selection and place in a new file, and I'm going to place the woman what we've got into the ellipse. And I think she looks okay there. I'm just going to click off her. Now the YouTube banner we don't really need now because we know our line's there. I'm just going to close that off. Now we're missing a few more things. We're missing our social icons, so I'm going to go File, Place, and I'm going to go to Facebook. I've got flags, but if you look online you won't see them right now because I've got the YouTube template active, so I just need to drag that up to the top and it'll fetch it on top. Then I'm gonna add my others. I've got Instagram and Twitter. If you highlight as many as what you need and click open, you can just, they stack on top of each other, and then you can place them to where you need to place them. Then with a move tool, I'm just gonna spread them out a little bit more. And then once I've got them the right distance, I'm just going to drag them down a bit and put them there. Now all we need to do is add some text. So if you click on the text tool, it's the A at the bottom, or you can get the text frame, but the text tool will be fine for this. And because this banner you'll associate with makeup, fashion, it wants to be a little bit stylish, so I think if I go to feminist, we'll see that one, and then you'll want your name, and that's far too small and the colour's wrong, so I'm going to change the colour to white, and that is no good at all. That one might be a bit better. And then the size of it to fit the social icons will be 16. Obviously you'll put your name in there, so I'm just going to drag it down and put it next to the Facebook, and then I'm going to Alt and just drag that down where you put your names there, and then click on the text tool again. I'm just going to tick on the YouTube template so I know where it is. Click there, and then you'll put your new YouTube name there, and it's come right up there, and we don't want it there, and it's changed the style back to what it was before. And I can't remember the actual typeface what we picked. It's that one. And we'll go there. Want this one a bit bigger, about 20. Obviously you don't have to have the same text as mine, and then all we need to do is get rid of the YouTube template. I'm going to make that a bit bigger just for video purposes, so you'll put your YouTube name in there, and then just get rid of the YouTube template, and that's it. So when you look on your phone, you're going to see all your Facebook tags, your Instagram, your Twitter tags, and your name. To make it a little bit better, I'm just probably gonna move these over this way a bit more, so a bit closer to her head, just to give us that bit of extra room. So now you'll see your name. You can obviously put your website just underneath there. So the audience that you're attracting is the young teenagers that use their mobile phones. So you know this banner style, you'll be able to get your name in, your Instagram, and all other social icons and then if they do watch it on TV, they can also see the full image as well. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.